Hello guys, reuse smartphone TCL 306. This version 3GB RAM memory and 32GB internal memory. Okay, open box and full completion. In completion we have Type-C cable and adapter for charging. With quick charge. Okay. Now talk about device. A device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.5-inch display. On this side power key volume keys. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port and speakers. Turn on device. Okay. Open settings. About phone we have Android 12, TCL UE 4.0. Close this. Run. Look results Geekbench 5. MediaTek MT 6762 this CPU. 4+4 cores and GPU Power VR. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look Antutu benchmark results. Okay. Run the mining game Guitar San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Game was good on the medium graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.